Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. So that's right, we're busting out the Pontiac Solstice again. And I know it's been some time since you've actually seen this thing, and we've done a lot of work to it. But I've been getting a lot of questions on this 07 Pontiac Solstice GXP on how I keep the paint looking showroom brand new. And well, it is the original paint job, but I'll share the secret with you here in a second, because let's talk a little bit about it first. So guys, you don't need to be some paint restoration guru to do this stuff. I did do some prep work on the vehicle a few months back, and initially I was able to do some cutting with a buffer as well as clay bar in the vehicle. But there's one thing that you don't want to do is have to do that stuff over and over and over again. So what I actually use is Shine Armor Quick Coat, and this is something I use on the Pontiac, the Duramax, the Blazer, the Harley. If it's got wheels and a motor and it's shiny, you name it, the Shine Armor. So really what it does is it gets me in between my hard coats. So again, it's all done in the foundation, and this is what adds that extreme shine to it. So I'm going to show you guys how to apply this really quick. It's super simple. You just need a microfiber towel, rub it on, wipe it off, and then we're going to do the test. So guys, when it comes to detailing, I'm the kind of guy that likes to do my own stuff. I really do not allow other people to detail the cars, touch the cars, any of that stuff. It's like my prized possessions, and I got too many of them. Might be time to start cutting them short a little bit. But on the Shine Armor here, you want to apply it to a cool surface, not a hot surface that's directly in the sun, because it's going to bake this stuff on and it's just not going to work right. It's a synthetic polymer, right? You put it on a hot surface, it's going to cook. You put oil in a frying pan, it's going to cook, right? So this one's super simple. Microfiber, and you're just going to wet it nice and damp. And we'll just start from the top up here, and we're going to work our way down, and then we'll hit the other side. And there's no particular pattern on how I do this stuff here. I kind of like to joke and say this is like the cologne bottle you keep right in the glove box. Because anytime I get to where I'm going, especially the little car shows, I always pull this stuff out. It's like my go-to. But again, we're going to put this on a cool surface, and you're going to want to wipe it down, and you'll start to see and feel that silky gloss come out of it. And you'll notice. So don't be scared with this stuff. You can't really screw it up, and you can't really apply it too much of it. Now remember what I was saying, cool surface. Never put it on a hot surface, and then I'm going to show you what it does once it's all done. Because normally when you run your finger across paint, it's not smooth, right? And the reason it's not smooth because of all the impurities and all the jaggedness and the clear coat. So again, it all gets down to the prep itself. And you'll see the haziness in the beginning. But the whole goal is to end up buffing this out. And it doesn't really take too much here to get that look that we're going for. Damn, is that a dent? Oh no. You guys see that mirror coming out already? You should feel it. Silky smooth. Silky smooth. And again, it doesn't take much here. But we should do the test and see if we did it right. Man, this hood is looking good. Let's strap that down really quick there. Throw the bottle on the hood. When we talk about the silkiness of this Shine Armor, I always like to put it on the hood. It slides off just like glass. That's how you know you did it right. If you're not getting that mirror-like finish that we have here, let's go ahead and apply some more. Like I said, super simple. Look at that. Amazing. So one of the other things I like to do, which is kind of the unofficial use for this stuff, is I actually use it on my black interior in the vehicle. And it doesn't give that nasty Armor All greasy feel to it. Not a fan of that greasiness, but you can see it's a nice satin finish, nothing too crazy, no shiny greasiness there. So there's a little secret for you there, and you can use this stuff anywhere really, on the doors, all that fun stuff as well. All right, gearheads, so that's all we got on the Pontiac Solstice. I know it's been some time. I'm going to put the information for the Shine Armor in the description below. If you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. It's my go-to. I love this stuff. This is what I've been using in the videos that you guys have been asking about. More updates coming on the Pontiac in the near future, as well as episode 4 for our T-Bucket build. Hit that like and subscribe. You ever have any comments, questions? Hit me up. See you next week.